Reels. Reels, reels, reels. One of those things everybody asks for, but does anyone actually watch it? Unfortunately, though, it's still got to look good. Production companies out there are going to charge an arm and a leg. So I looked around and I'm like, hey, I can do this for you. Here are some of the things I can do for you. Seamless transitions. Just like any other feature or short film, your reel should flow seamlessly. Coloring. Too hot, too cold? I can fix that too. Next up, sound mixing.
You better not behave like this when they get here. You better not behave like this when they get here.
You don't know me, but I know what that bastard did to you. And I think you don't know me, but I know what that bastard did to you. And I think you.
Cinematic framing. Ever notice how all those movies have tiny little black bars on top? I can fix that. Custom title cards, intro and exiting. We can do traditional, or if you got some B-roll footage, we can make it look a little bit classier. Once again, here is all services provided. If interested, go ahead and send me a message on Instagram, or you can email me at zach.cowan203@gmail.com. Don't let not having a reel slow you down.